Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to turn off keyboard light color. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To turn off the keyboard backlight on your Acer Nitro 16, what you can do is use the keyboard shortcut, that is function plus F11 to decrease the brightness and F12 to increase the brightness. Then you can turn off keyboard backlight in Nitro Sense. So head over and open up your Nitro Sense app and then select the pulsar lightning tab. Then adjust the brightness to 0% or turn off the lightning effect. Then click apply to save changes. You can also disable RGB lighting for RGB models. If your Nitro 16 has RGB lighting, open Nitro Sense or Predator Sense, then select static color and then set it to black or lower brightness. You can also set it to off in the effects section as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.